If you've got a Yamaha Waverunner that was made between about 2005 and about 2015, there's a good chance that you've got this MR1 style engine. 4-cylinder, 1.1 liter, that is all electronic, drive-by-wire, electronic throttle body, all that stuff. And some of these, I've noticed, start to get some weird behaviors. This one particularly that's behind me was throwing a code 113, I believe it was, but there's a whole mess of codes that are related to the throttle body, electronic throttle system, electronic throttle valve. There's a whole mess of them that might just be related to this problem that I found. So what I believe is happening, this is our old throttle body, and you can see this one's corroded. This is a freshwater machine, but there's a lot of corrosion on this thing. And what this machine would do, you would start it up, and it would start up and idle fine, but it would lope. It'd sit there like it was trying to stall out, which shouldn't happen because the computer should adjust the idle to keep it smooth. But I'm thinking over the years, these throttle bodies have a motor and throttle position sensors that report back to the computer the state of this butterfly valve in here. And one of those parts got a dead spot in it. So the computer couldn't know, and it just freaks everything out. So replacing one of these with a brand new factory OEM part, depending on the model, because there is some differences in these models and depending on the year, that they change the throttle body. Physically, they look the same. They have the same connector, but certain engines call for one, certain engines call for another. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe somebody that works at Yamaha can chime in. But here's what I found. A newer throttle body off of one of the TR1 engine machines also has the exact same footprint. It also has the exact same connector. The only difference is the TR1 uses bolts that have a 10mm hex on the front of them instead of the 13mm hex that comes factory on this. So what I did with this machine that wasn't running right and was throwing code 113, took off the MR1 throttle body and put on a TR1 throttle body, and it works perfectly. Absolutely flawlessly. Now, with electronic parts, sometimes there's hours age and sometimes there's just years age. And these TR1 throttle bodies are not only like half the price, they're also going to be a lot newer. If you were to look at one used on eBay, you're going to pick up a TR1 throttle body for about the same price as a used MR1 throttle body, and it's probably going to be 10 years newer. So just as a thought, if you've got throttle body problems on your MR1 Yamaha, or similar to MR1, the 1.1s and all those, and you need a throttle body, go pick up a TR1 throttle body. Try it. Just let me know if it works. I'm going to put links in the description and the top pinned comment about the different part numbers and what I've found works, and we're going to get this machine back out on the water. Thanks for watching.